Okay, the gas bill. You can have your gas, your heating usage on a thermometer that is programmable. And so you can tell it when to turn the heat up, when to turn the heat down, etc. So that when you're not home, you don't need to have that all the way up, because you know who's there. I mean, really, who you keeping warm? The goldfish? I don't know. You know, so have a thermometer that you can program, and that will save on the gas bill. And at some point you got to say, okay, is the gas bill too high? Can I cut that down? Do we have to have the heat temperature in here on 85 and 90 degrees? Is 70 degrees sufficient? Yes, you may have to have a sweater, but that will help you save on the gas bill. So if you can save on the gas bill, the light bill, you can see where now you can start to begin to save some money in the bank, okay? And also you can go on a budget plan with these two items, the light bill and the gas bill, and then you have the same payment every month for 10 or 11 months. On the 12th month, then you either owe them the difference or they owe you the difference, but at least you can control your budgeting and plan accordingly. Okay, and I do want to talk about, you need a written budget. A written budget is you sit down with your bills, you get a calendar, and you write down the dates when you get your money. And so you figure things out on paper before you actually touch any money. And then that way, you know, like it'll say week 1, you put the dates when you get your money, okay, or monthly, whatever way you get your money, and you write down, pay the light bill such and such amount, gas bill such and such amount, rent such and such amount, so that you know when you get your money what to do. So you need 2 copies of this, one in your wallet and one at home, so that no matter where you are, you're going to always know what to do with your money based on your budget that's written down on the paper. Okay? Okay, so I think that I have driven that message home, and I think I want to I'm going to give you one more example, and then I'll pick up on part 2, because you can see I got a lot to tell you. I haven't talked to you in a while, so I have a lot to tell you. Okay, okay, so this is the last one for this segment, and then we'll pick up on part 2. Okay. Oh, paying over and over and over way too much for the water bill. So for all of those who pay a water bill, think about this. So you go in to brush your teeth, right? You turn the water on. That water is running the whole time you're brushing your teeth, okay? And then you stop and you rinse out and you brush some more, and then you rinse out, and now you gotta wash your hands. And so this water could be running for at least 10 minutes or more, right? Unnecessarily. How come you can't turn the water on, wet the toothbrush, cut it off, brush your teeth, turn it on, rinse, turn it off? See? Right there you can save some money, because again that meter is doing this, just adding up and just adding up. So all of these bills, whether they're big or small, all of these bills add up to a total. And that total can sometimes choke us without our money. You know, and we need to have enough money to survive. If not, the stress is there, the worrying is there, the concern is there, and it's just not worth it when we can control some of these habits, because that's all it is habits that we have created and that we ourselves can change. Okay, so that's some of the habits and that we want to change in 2019. Okay, so stay tuned for part 2, will you? Okay, give it a thumbs up if you like it. If I've said anything that would help you, if I've said anything that you could pass on to others, please share the video so that they can hear some of these points, because everybody needs to have a pencil and paper, writing these points down, have a nice dinner, and have the family sitting around the table and discuss these issues, because the light bill control is not yours alone. The water bill is not yours alone. The gas bill is not yours alone. But what is yours alone is if they run these bills up and you're the head of the household, you got to worry about paying that. Now that is yours alone, because they're not going to try to help you solve that financial problem. Believe me when I tell you, you're all in on that one solo. Okay, so get them on board and let them know, you know, if these habits don't change, that they're going to have to kick in some money or more money, and tell them sometimes you might need their whole check. Oh, I think that will ring a bell to them, and they'll be more than happy to see if they can change, because they're going to think you're crazy, and they're going to be even more crazier if they got to deal with that, right? So they're not going to want to go with that program. So maybe somebody would help out. If you could get at least 2 or 3 people to change, that's better than 0, right? Okay, so talk to you soon. Loving you, and loving you. I love you very much. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. All the support and care that you have shown me, and the love. And I look forward to serving you guys in 2020.